Alright, let's take a look at the control panel. You'll notice the membrane is slightly damaged. It's still fully functional because there are physical buttons underneath. So yes, it still works perfectly fine. You can definitely still press them. Now let's run a continuous cycle. This is button for pad printing. You might notice the impact noise from the up and down movement is a bit loud. We can fine-tune it later to increase the cushioning force, which will dampen the sound. As for the machine itself, it's currently missing the ink tray, the doctor blade assembly, and the silicone pad. Other than that, everything else looks good. The owner also added custom LED lighting here for better visibility. Over here is the FRL unit, filter regulator lubricator. Specifically, the pressure regulator and water separator cup have been replaced. Aside from those points, the rest of the unit is actually quite clean. Overall, it's in solid condition.